How to use an ultrasound machine to see if this is pregnant. First, let's take a look at what it can be used for. What is the value of early detection? First of all, early diagnosis allows us to prevent fetal damage, reduce emptiness in the early stage. You impregnated it like you did early on. Are you able to prepare earlier? If the cow is pregnant, then we have a bottom line in our hearts. If you are not pregnant, then deal with it early. The treatment of this treatment, let it go through another breeding as soon as possible. Does it add another milk production? Why is it said to increase milk production? It's the same story. It's also after we fixed it early, if the cow is not pregnant. Is it possible for us to diagnose it early? The next time you do a mating pregnancy, you give it a few days in advance to be diagnosed, can be treated well. Did you just have a few more days of milk production? It increases fertility. I'm not going to talk about that. Everybody knows that. And then there are cows that are not pregnant. What should we do about it? First, we pay attention to estrus and mating. So again, we're in heat for this particular cow, and it didn't have any problems. It's just not mashed. We just need to pay attention to it again for estrus breeding. If it is still the kind that is always unworthy, or these cows that are not in heat after giving birth, we need to find out why. Usually, in this case, it's diseases of the reproductive organs. After we find out the cause, we can treat it symptomatically. Another one for these repeated infertility, and we can't figure out why, or we already know the reason, but there is no treatment. The treatment is not good. Let's say his ovaries shrank or uterine adhesions. If you are a cow, just get rid of it as soon as possible. If you say beef cattle, just find the right time and sell it